What is least appropriate to include in an email that informs a job application that he or she has not been selected for the job after you have interviewed them? Now there's two important parts here. One is least appropriate, meaning there could be multiple inappropriate answers, but one of them is the worst, and that's what we're looking for. And the second is you have interviewed them, meaning you have the personal connection with this potential hire. So now let's go through the answers and see which one is least appropriate. So thanking the applicant for applying for the job. That seems very appropriate regardless of if they got it, so we're going to take out that option. B. Mentioning your positive impressions of the applicant. Whilst it's not always necessary, especially if it's not true, you should try to say it, and it's definitely not inappropriate to say, so we'll take out this answer. C. Beginning by informing the applicant that he or she has not been selected for the job. Now, if somebody's not being hired or offered a job, it's very rude to make them read an entire essay before they get to the decision. So it's a very appropriate thing to do, so we're going to also cross this one out. And then D. Sending the email from the department general email address rather than your own personal email address. Now, as mentioned in the statement above, you're the one that interviewed them and you have the personal connection. And whilst it says personal email address, it's not talking about the one you sent to your friends, but you should use your personal work email address, as it's disrespectful to just give them a generalized answer when you are the one that has decided to reject them. So the least appropriate response would be D.